This How to 1 Minute will show you how to add a file upload form in Blogger website. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to do it. First of all, I will create a contact page. And here you have to paste codes. You will get these codes in this video description below. So download these codes, and all you have to need, just here you will get example@gmail.com. You have to replace this example with your email address where you want to get emails. And then copy this whole course from here and paste it here. Click on publish. Now I'm going to viewing this page, and as you can see, the form has been added with the file upload button. Now let's see how it works. And after submitting a dummy email for test, you will jump into this page. Here, as you can see, we need to activate this plugin. So we will open our Gmail and open the activation email and click on activate form. And here you can see the form has been successfully activated. So this is how we can add a file upload form in Blogger website. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.